Hey guys, it's Kate and welcome back to my channel. If you guys had tuned into my last video, I talked about making a goals video for this summer. Originally, I was not going to make a YouTube video about my goals, but I made a list on my phone when my friend left and I was feeling really lost, and my friend left to go to Montreal and my other best friend left to go to Toronto. And I just felt so lost and I needed to be distracted this summer, or else I was literally going to lose my mind and not be able to think about anything else. So I made this list on my phone and then I decided, why don't I make a YouTube video about it at the beginning of my summer break and then make a YouTube video at the end of my summer break to see kind of how I did and to give myself some accountability. Does that make sense? Because if I say to you guys, maybe I'll make it happen, because you guys are holding me accountable. Anyways, I'm just gonna stop rambling and I'm gonna tell you about my goals this summer. Some of them may seem really stupid, but yeah, you guys are subscribed to my channel for a reason. You seem to like listening to me talk, so yeah. Also, if you're looking at my body compared to my face, I'm so sorry. I self-tan, and when you self-tan, the guide color is really awful, and I haven't washed it off yet, so that would be the reason for that. I apologize. Also, if you have been on this channel for a while, I just got my braces off. Also, I forgot to add this, but a huge inspiration, for life for me, is Gabby Hanna. I don't know if you guys watch her. If you don't, you definitely should, especially if you're a girl and you like empowering videos. I think she is such an inspirational and motivational person. She has so many struggles and she gets through all of them. She's not afraid to ask for help, and I think she's like the most genuine YouTuber I've ever watched in my life. She shows us her fails. She shows us when she succeeds. She gets through all of her mental and physical struggles, and it just gives me so much confidence in my own life, because she is so, I just can't, you guys know what I'm talking about. She's such a great person. She's the #1 person I'd love to meet one day. And yeah, let me just get right into the goals. It's already been 4:20. 4:20 was yesterday, sorry. Stupid goal #1, but I was having a mental breakdown and this was #1 on my list. I want a great tan this summer. I think I'm gonna be able to do it. I already got a fake tan. I just want a real one because I like being tan. Being tan makes me feel confident, makes me feel thinner. Not that it's more better to be skinny, but anyways, I just feel healthier. I feel more good about myself. And yeah, goal #2. I want to walk my dog every second day. This one's going to be a really hard one because I find physical activity so hard, but my dog really deserves it. I have a little Pomeranian. You've seen her in my videos before if you're not new here, but I'd really love to spend more time with my dog because I was literally away for almost a year. Hardly ever got to see her because of university, and I really owe it to her to make her summer really great too. You know what I mean? #3, I'd love to get another job, and I'd love it to be an outdoor job. So recently I've been talking to a company, it's like a barn company, and I'm applying to be a trail guide, and I think that's so awesome because I used to own horses and I used to lease horses, and it really is my passion to ride horses. So if I get to do that outside for a job, I think that would be probably the best thing that could happen to me. It would help me succeed through goal #1, getting tan. Fuck. Sorry, didn't mean to swear. So #4, I've already made happen. I'm already making it happen. And that is to go to the gym on a regular schedule. So for this, I've been going every second day, not 2 times, every second day, and I've been tanning while I'm at the gym as well. You're gonna see a lot of workout routines from me in the future. Going to the gym really gives me a more healthy mindset. So I'm gonna continue doing that. You guys really like to see lifestyle and health videos, so it really all works out. And I actually did upload a video before this one about how I transformed my booty in less than a month. It was literally like 3 weeks. Insane. It worked so well. Goal number 5. I would really like to eat more healthy this summer. I just realized my goals 5 and 6 are basically the same thing. I put goal 6 as eat healthier and goal 5 eat more veggies and lean protein. Self-explanatory. I'd love to look like an Instagram model. I think that would be the coolest thing. I'm not trying to starve myself, number 1, because I can't. Number 2, I think that is such an unattainable thing to do. So yeah, I'm gonna try to eat healthy, nourish my body with the best ingredients that I can. I'm gonna try to eat more protein because that's a really great way to gain muscle. What I'm trying to do, I'm trying to lose fat, gain the muscle. But yeah, eat healthier, eat more veggies, eat more fruits. I already eat pretty much a lot of fruits. And then eat more protein. Did I say that? Yeah. Goal number 7. This one is gonna hit hard for me because I wanted to do this for so long, and that is be more consistent with my YouTube channel. I've made a huge plan to transform my life this summer, and YouTube was number 1 on my priority list. So basically, at this point, I have planned out 24 videos, and I'm filming them all within the next couple of days. I wrote scripts, not really scripts, but I wrote like pointers to go down while I'm making the videos. And I'm going to try to upload, I think, every Sunday and Monday. That's how it's working out at the moment. Like I said, I would absolutely love to do YouTube as a job, have it as a source of income, because I really feel like I'm having a quarter life crisis. Like, I don't think I'm the type of person that can have a job. Like, I want to be rich. You know what I mean? Like, I just want to be a sugar baby without giving the sugar. I feel like a lot of people feel me on this one. Like, I don't want a job. We're in the next generation. We have social media. We have YouTube. I need to do something with this. I've made such an empire for myself just by making videos in my spare time. If I really sat here and tried, I really think I could do good things. I could make great videos. I have such a great camera. I got a brand new camera for Christmas. Please, on another note, please let me know what you guys would like to see on my channel. I've already have 24 ideas. Goal number 8 is to spend more time with people that I love. Originally, I had put spend more time with my grandma. I do love my grandma so much, but I realized I would love to spend more time with a lot more people, especially my grandmother. My grandmother's like my best friend. I think she's the nicest person on this earth. She's like the most giving person in this earth. She is my favorite person, and I had it on my list, and I decided I'm just gonna put down spend more time with people I love in general, because as I was away in university, I didn't get to spend a lot of time with people that I loved, and it was like kind of the worst thing ever when they would reach out to me and they'd be like, hey, how are you doing? I haven't heard from you in a while. And it would just make me so sad, especially when my grandmother did it. So yeah, this summer I'm gonna have lots of time. I already have a plan to go up to my grandmother's house for a week. Yeah, this is another stupid one, but I want to keep all my Snapchat streaks. If you guys want to add me on Snapchat and start a Snapchat streak with me, my username is Katie1998XO, K-A-T-I-E 1998XO. So yeah, I do snap everyone back. So feel free to send me stuff. But yeah, especially with my friend Chica, we've had so many streaks. We've got our streaks to like 130 and then we've lost them, all because of me. I think one time we lost them because of him, but ridiculous. I want a 300-day streak. This summer I can probably get it up to like 100 days, but I want to go big or go home. Anyways, those are all of the goals that I've thought of right now. I might do a second video later on if I decide I have more goals that I want to add to this list. But like I said, I vowed to myself to make some positive, healthy changes in my life this summer. I want to cut the procrastination. I want to up the motivation. I want to have such a healthy, good vibed, great life. I don't know where I'm going with that, but I just want to have the best life ever. I want to bring every moment to its best. I sound like I'm trying to be so inspirational. I don't know what's happening to me lately, but I need distractions, and this is how I'm doing it. I'm so excited to hopefully achieve all my goals in this video. I'm so excited to see how my life transforms over the next couple months. And yeah, there's gonna be some slight content changes. Probably not too many like hair and makeup videos. More like talking videos, because I'm not that interested in hair and makeup, like showing you guys, like doing tutorials. I'm not that great at it. I'm just doing it and it kind of works out somehow. I'm not making tutorials. I'm more like a Simply Illogical type of beauty guru. You know what I mean? If you don't like the content changes, let me know. If you do like the content changes, let me know. You probably don't even know who I am because I haven't posted a video in about 6 years. Probably all my subscribers are dead. That's not true. My subscribers are like 10. Anyways, I will be definitely making an updated video on this, letting you guys know at the end of the summer if I achieved my goals, if I didn't achieve my goals, if I'm going to continue to try to achieve my goals. I'm pretty sure I'm going to achieve them, considering the fact that I have such a plan for this and how well thought out I am about this little project I'm working on. But yeah. Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed, please subscribe. I'd love to see your pretty faces in my subscription list. Make sure you turn on post notifications if you'd love to see my next video. And make sure you give a thumbs up because it helps me out and it's free. Thank you guys so much for watching again, and I'll see you in my next one.